Which social media website do you use?
Um, I prefer to use near about every social media site because of the exposure that I get. But normally I use the WhatsApp the most. I'm more inclined towards the WhatsApp.
Right. How much time do you spend on social media sites?
Mm, It depends on what if I have the leisure time, then I cannot even predict how much time I'm gonna spend on my social media sites such as Instagram because it's really addicting. So sometimes I do have to uninstall it because I get addicted, so much addicted to it. But if I talk about particularly about WhatsApp, so I use it very often in a day because of the messages. Sometimes they are very important that I cannot ignore those messages.
What kind of information about yourself have you put on the social media?
I don't really like to put my information on the social media sites except the WhatsApp because I only add those people. There is a thing called privacy, so it offers that. So that's why I prefer to, if even if I want to go for my personal information, then I'll post it on WhatsApp. That's it.
Is there anything you don't like about social media?
Yes, there are certain things that I don't like about social media. One, it is because it is addicting, and sometimes it gets so much. One person gets so much involved that they do not feel the real. They don't feel the reality of life, and they only live in the materialistic world, which is not good. Good.
Okay, this is the. Here is your cue card. Take the shot of the wall. Start.
Yes. There are many things that we buy in a year or in a span of years because sometimes everything get dysfunctional or but recently last year on the occasion of Diwali me and my family we bought a MI television, so it's an LCD, so it has really sleek in design and the picture quality is really good of it. So we bought it from a local store nearby our town. So we went to the city and we bought it. It was not necessary to buy it, but because of the dysfunctionality of our old television, got our got so much. Uh, we got so much pressure that yes, we will have to buy a new one now because the other one was not working properly now. So we bought it and I really liked the television because of, as I said, the sleek design of it, and it is really huge in size, and the picture quality is really amazing. With that, it can we can function it with the voice controls, or and also with that it comes up with a system where you can connect it to the Wi-Fi and you can also use the internet on it. So there are so many other things, and it is black in color because I really like black, so it goes with my interiors of my room. So that's why I really like that TV, and with that the technology of that TV is really good. The software of the television and the troubleshoot, where you can always troubleshoot that because of whenever something wrong goes with the LCD, so you can always uh, cure it up with the troubleshoot function of it. And also it also has the voice recognition system, so we can switch it on wherever we like, from wherever we like. And with that the coverage area is really good because of the remote control. We can just, if we are sitting somewhere else and not in front of the television, we can just click on the remote and the channel will be switched to another one. Also also it comes with a very curved it has a curved sleek design, so with that we can watch the television in any direction where the darkness will not be covering the television screen.
Okay, now we are going to start part 3. Why do some people buy lots of things for their home?
I think it is a tendency of every human being to look to look statusful in their home, and also to design their home in a better way, where because a home is a place where you rest and always feel connected to. So that's why I think interiors are really important.
Do you think it is very expensive to make a home looks nice?
Yes, interiors are quite expensive, and specifically these days when we do have interior designers and the architectures, so I think it is really expensive. But if you know the art, I think it will not be that much expensive, because you can always um, renovate your house with the old things and can give a new look to your home.